Hi everyone, Tatiana from the Greenbird Bead Kingdom is here. And in this tutorial we're going to continue our Christmas preparations. I'm going to show you how to make these nice and beautiful earrings with bears sitting on the Christmas presents. The list of the materials I'm using can be found in the description field under this video here. I've took all my supplies from my store, Greenbird. You can go to your local bead store, you can go to your stash, find the beads needed, and let's get started. I found this nice kit. It contains 2 bears, 2 cube beads, 2 pins. They can be purchased as a kit in my case, or they can be found separately. Now I'm going to open this kit and show you what's inside. If you can't find this kit, actually it's easy to find the beads it contains. Okay, I've put everything I had here in this kit to my beading mat, and now I'm ready to create some Christmas magic. I'm taking a head pin, then I'm putting a bead cap onto it, then 10mm crystal cube bead, again a bead cap. Bead cap is needed as a decoration. It covers the bead holes and they start to look very nice. Then I'm stringing this bear bead by the TierraCast, then a crystal bead in bicone shape, size 4mm. I'm going to take this emerald color, very Christmas color. And now I'm going to do the very same with the second head pin. I'm going to string this bead cap, then a cube crystal bead, again a bead cap, a bear, bicone crystal bead, but this time in red color. Okay, the earrings are almost ready. Now it's time to make a loop. I'm going to take my favorite flat nose pliers, bend this head pin at the angle of 90 degrees, like this. Now cut the excess of this pin, leaving a tail approximately 5 to 7mm. Then I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to bend this head pin like this. So I'm making this loop. Okay, the first earring is ready. I'm going to do the same, absolutely the same thing with the second one. But before I do this, I want to ask to like this video if you appear to like this tutorial, subscribe to our channel, and I suggest you to go here. I have a link for you for the tutorial for these nice earrings, the candy canes earrings I'm wearing, so they can be made as a perfect pair. Okay, for the second earring I'm going to do absolutely the same thing. I'm going to take my flat nose pliers, making this bend at the angle of 90 degrees. Then I cut the pin, then round nose pliers, making this loop. Okay, another loop is ready. And now in the final step we're going to finish our earrings. I'm going to take my earring findings. I'm going to open this loop we've just created. I'm bringing my earring finding onto it. And then I'm going to close this loop like this. The very same thing I'm going to do with the second earring. I'm going to open this ring, put my earring finding here. These bears are sitting on Christmas presents, on huge boxes of Christmas presents. They look very nice, gorgeous, and they shine and sparkle, so create ones for yourself or the ones you really love. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, write something in the comments, and come back next week for more beading tutorials. See you soon, bye!